Hey guys, Andrew here and welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I am going to show you how to manage your Amazon notifications. Basically, how you can turn on or off various types of notifications that you're receiving from Amazon or not receiving from Amazon. You can basically turn these on or off. So let's get right into it. So as you can see here, I'm on my Amazon account, and in order to find those settings, guys, you want to click on account and list. Just simply click on that option there. It will give you a drop down, but you don't need that. Just click on it and it's going to expand a whole lot of different options. Now, if you scroll down, there's going to be a section called communication and content. You want to open up this communication preferences here. So open up that, and guess what? You have your ton of different notifications here. So it starts by giving you a few categories: account and shipping, deals and recommendations, subscribed, updates, review and follows, and general settings. So each of these sections have different type of notifications that you can turn on or off. So shipping and delivery, and even sellers communication, that you can turn these on or off. Basically, for the shipping and delivery, these are set there for emails, and you're not able to turn these off because this is set in stone here. You can't turn these off, right? But for the sellers communication, you can either enable or disable this, right? It's really up to you, but this is for the emails. Then the deals and recommendation, you can click on that section and you can basically turn on or off these. By default, all of these are on, so you can just simply turn them off if you don't want to really receive them. So if you don't want anything about benefits, you can turn this off. And if you don't want anything about product recommendations, you can turn that off, right? So you can easily come here and turn on or off these as well. Subscribe updates. If you have any active email subscription, you will see these here and you can manage these as well. Reviews and follows, you're receiving those feedbacks by email, and if you don't want to, you can easily turn that off. So it's really up to you. Then it goes to the general settings where you have some options here, and here generally email is set, so you have your email address there, and you can always go ahead and basically check the box that says do not send me any marketing email for now. You can check this so you don't receive anything, or you can even change the email address for this as well if you so desire. Simple click and change, and you're able to enter your password and go through the process of changing your email. Push notifications you can get as well, and from here you can just basically set up push notifications as well. If you have that, you can get the app and you can set up that as well. Text messages you can get, you just need to come here and add a phone number, and you can basically manage it, get text messages as well. And for basic things such as your mail, you can put whatever address there. I've made up some address and I put some address here, so you can do the same. You can put address there, correct address where you want to receive physical mail, or in a mail as well. So this is how you can easily go ahead and manage various notifications or various communication, guys. It's all there for you. All you have to do is just click accounts and list. From the page, scroll down under the communication and content section and open up your communication preferences, and you can change those. But that's it. Very easy and very simple.